Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And in this video we are going to talk about differentiation of some implicit functions. Okay, before starting the topic, try to understand what is the meaning of implicit function. See, there are two types of functions. First is called implicit function and another will be called explicit function. Okay, so what's the difference between these two? Try to understand with the help of example. If I write here y is equal to 3x square plus 1, and here if I write 3x square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what difference you can find here? You can see in this example, in the explicit example, y is written in terms of x. It means we can decide that yes, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Yes, but in this implicit example we cannot say that one variable is written in terms of another variable, or which variable is dependent, which variable is independent. So in this lesson, in this video, we are going to talk about derivative of such functions, and it's very easy for you. Okay. See, for example, if any function, let's consider the same example, 3x square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if you want to find, question will be find dy by dx. Okay, or they can say prove that dy by dx is equal to this one. So if you have any such thing, then what you will do, just differentiate it normally, like the way you differentiate the functions, you differentiate this also. But while differentiating the term of y, be careful, at the last you will write dy by dx. While differentiating the terms of y, you will write at last dy by dx. Okay, so let's talk about this question, how to find the dy by dx. First, differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x, you will get here 3, derivative of x square will be 2x, plus derivative of y with respect to x will be dy by dx, plus differentiation of 1 with respect to x will be 0. So it is equal to 0. So what's the answer here? Dy by dx will be equal to minus 6x. This is the answer. Okay. Now, similarly, if you can have this question, say for example, 3x to the power 3 plus 7 x square y plus 5xy square plus 9y cube equals to 0, and the question is same, find dy by dx. Okay, like this question you can have. See, this is the first exercise of derivative in your NCERT book. Okay, now you see differentiate with respect to x. What you will get here? Derivative of x cube, it will be 3x square plus 7 is a constant, it will remain as it is. Now you can see here is a product of two terms, product of two functions, x square and y. So note out here we are going to apply the product rule. So this will be first function into derivative of the second function, means derivative of y with respect to x, plus second function into differentiation of first function. So differentiation of x square is what? 2x, plus, now same thing we are going to apply for this also. 5 will remain as it is, first function into derivative of y square. See what I told you, first you differentiate it normally. So first derivative of x square will be what? 2x. Similarly, derivative of y square will be what? 2y. And since we are differentiating with respect to x, so at last you will write dy by dx, plus second function into differentiation of first. So derivative of x with respect to x will be 1, plus 9 times derivative of y cube, it will be 3y square, and since we are differentiating y with respect to x, so at last you will write dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to simplify this equation carefully, and we will write all the terms of dy by dx together on one side and remaining other terms on another side. So it will be 9x square plus 7 will be multiplied inside the bracket, so it will be 7x square dy by dx plus 14xy plus 10xy dy by dx plus 5y square plus 27y square dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we have 1, 2 and 3 terms of dy by dx, so write them together by taking dy by dx common. So it will be 7x square plus 10xy plus 27y square times dy by dx is equal to, remaining terms will go to the right hand side, becomes negative, it will become minus, minus I have taken out. So this is 9x square plus 14xy and plus 5, why I am writing 3, 5y square. Okay, so it will be dy by dx is equal to minus 9x square plus, can we factorize it? Yes, I think so. 9x square plus 14xy plus 5y square. By splitting the middle term you can factorize, I guess. So it will be, see, I don't have a space here, so I am writing it directly. I am sure you know how to split by the middle term, and if you have any problem in that factorization, you can see that video. Okay, see, this is I think 9 5s 45 and 9 and 5 14, so 14 and 9, so it will be 9 will be taken common, so it will be x plus, and x also is taken common, so it will become 1, sorry, here it will become x plus y, okay, times 9x. Okay, 9x was taken common, so it will become 9x here, and then it will become plus 5y xy plus 5xy. So 5y was taken common, and then it will be, why it is coming like this, why it is not coming in the proper pen. Okay, there is some problem with the laptop, I guess, or some app is the problem here. Okay, I think it is working now. Okay, so this will be 5y. Okay, let's check the multiplication. 9x square plus 9xy plus 5xy plus, yes, this is correct, denominator. Can we factorize this also? I don't think so, because middle term is 27 and end terms are means little longer. So 7 and 27 it cannot be. So it will remain as it is. So 7x square plus 10xy plus 27y square. Like this you can get the answer. Okay. I told you that you will have to be little careful with the calculation after finding dy by dx. If it can be simplified, you will simplify. Okay. Now, some questions I have taken from your NCERT book or R.D. Sharma or exemplar, NCERT exemplar. Let's try to find the differentiation. Let's find dy by dx here. They say if x root 1 plus y root 1 plus x is equal to 0, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. See, you can do it directly also, because I see some students do it directly and they do it. Okay, but I'll try to tell you the shorter method by which you can do it quickly. See what you can do here. First, shift one term to the right hand side, means it is minus y root 1 plus x. Now square both the sides. Okay, and what you will get here, by squaring both the sides, you will get x square times 1 plus y is equal to y square times 1 plus x. Multiply inside the bracket, it will be distributive property, x square plus x square y is equal to y square plus xy square. Now write all the terms to the left hand side. It will become x square minus xy square plus x square y minus y square is equal to 0. Now you can see we can take x common, it will be x minus y. Here we can take y common, and then it will be x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, did I do something wrong here? Is it something wrong? Okay, because it should be some xy type expression. So x square 1 plus y square 1 plus x, then x square plus x square y, and then y square, and then okay. See, because here we are not getting like this, because we have to prove something. So what you can do here, you can, in place of writing like this, you can do like this. It will be x square minus y square together plus xy square minus xy square is equal to 0. Now here you can apply the identity x plus y times x minus y plus xy, and then it will become plus xy I am taking, so it will become x square y. It is x square y, not xy square, and then in bracket you will get x minus y. Okay. Now this is, I'm sorry for all these mistakes, because I'm unable to focus little because I'm suffering from little cough and cold. So x minus y can be taken common. In bracket you will get x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Now product of two terms is 0. It means one of them must be equals to 0. So of course you can see x minus y cannot be 0. Why? Because if x minus y is equal to 0, then x will be equal to y, and no such condition is given in the question. So what you can do here, you can take it x plus y plus xy equals to 0. Little simplify this, you will get y common. In bracket you will get 1 plus x is equal to minus x. So what you will get here, y is equal to minus x upon 1 plus. Now differentiate it by using quotient rule, and what you will get here, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator whole square. So it will be minus 1 plus x minus x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, this x cancelled out, and it will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square, and this thing we had to prove. Yes. Another question can be, if square root of 1 minus x to the power 6 plus square root of 1 minus y to the power 6 is equal to a times x cube minus y cube, then prove that this thing. Okay. See what you can do here. You can have one more question like this. Here it will be only cube, means x to the power 3. Here it will be y to the power 3, and here it will be x, and here it will be y. Okay. So process will remain same. So what I am going to do here, let x cube is equal to sine a and y cube is equal to sine b. Okay. Of course here a and b are not the constants, but just to simplify the expression only we are using it. So what you can do here, expression will become 1 minus, see, x to the power 6 can be written as x cube square, and x cube means sine a, so it will become sine square a. Similarly here it will become 1 minus sine square b is equal to a times x cube minus y cube means sine a minus sine b. Now 1 minus sine square a means cos square a, and under root cos square a means cos a. Similarly here it will become cos b is equal to a times sine a minus sine b. Now you can apply the identity. Cos a plus cos b, you can say 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. And here also 2 sine a minus b by 2 and cos a plus b by 2. Now what you can see here, cos a plus b by 2, cos a plus b by 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So what you are getting here, you will get cos a minus b by 2 over sine a minus b by 2 is equal to a. It means cot a minus b by 2 is equal to a. It means a minus b by 2 is equal to cot inverse A. Why I am doing like this? Because A, small a is a constant. So derivative of constant is it will become 0. So as maximum as possible, you just write constant on another side. So it will become A minus B is equal to 2 cot inverse A. Okay. Now write the value of capital A and capital B. Capital A will be sine inverse x cube and capital B will be sine inverse y cube is equal to 2 cot inverse A, and derivative, differentiate it. So derivative of sine inverse x is what? Do you remember the formula? Differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So it will be 1 upon under root 1 minus x to the power 6, because x cube square will be x to the power 6, and then 3x derivative of x cube will be 3x square. Okay, I think space crunch is there, so I will erase it all and then I will write this line again. Okay, so this is sine inverse x cube minus sine inverse y cube was equal to what? 2 cot inverse A. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, it will be derivative of sine inverse x is what? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So derivative of x cube square will be x to the power 6, and derivative of x cube will be 3x square by using chain rule, minus 1 upon under root, same for this, 1 minus y to the power 6 into derivative of y cube will be 3y square and derivative of y will be dy by dx is equal to 0, because a is a constant. Now you can see 3 will be taken common and it will go to right hand side, becomes 0. We have to find dy by dx, we have to prove this thing. So what we can do here, we can write like this: y square upon under root 1 minus y to the power 6 dy by dx is equal to x square upon under root 1 minus x to the power 6. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, it will be x square upon y square into under root 1 minus y to the power 6 upon 1 minus x to the power 6. Like this you can finish this question. Okay. Now another question can be, if x square plus y square is equal to t minus 1 upon t, and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to t square plus 1 upon t square, then prove that this expression. Okay. See, this expression I am going to simplify little so that you can understand it. See, here we have this expression. So what we are going to do here? Squaring both sides. So by square, what you will get? You will get x square plus y square whole square is equal to t minus 1 upon t whole square. It will be x to the power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4 is equal to t square minus 2 or plus 1 upon t square minus 2. Now it will be x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square is equal to t square plus 1 upon t square, means from here we can write x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2. These two terms same, cancel. So it will be x square y square is equal to minus 1. Okay, it means y square will be minus 1 upon x square, means minus x to the power minus 2. So what will be the differentiation? Differentiating with respect to x. What you will get here? Derivative of y square will be 2y dy by dx is equal to minus derivative of x to the power minus 2 minus 2 times x to the power minus 3. So it will become dy by dx is equal to minus of minus become plus, then 2x to the power minus 3 over 2y. 2 also cancelled out, and then you will get 1 upon x cube times y. Okay, this is the answer. Now, This question can be e to the power x plus e to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus y. Then prove that this expression, you see, this is also very easy for you. You know this formula, derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. So differentiating with respect to x, what you will get here? E to the power x derivative will be e to the power x, e to the power y will be e to the power y, followed by dy by dx, because we are differentiating y with respect to x, and then it will be e to the power x means e to the power x, and then x plus y derivative will be 1 plus dy by dx. Okay, now here you can see we have dy by dx at two places, so write them together. It will be e to the power x plus e to the power y dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y plus e to the power x plus y times dy by dx. Now write them together. It will be e to the power y dy by dx minus e to the power x plus y dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y minus e to the power, what we can take common here, e to the power y times dy by dx. So it will be 1 minus e to the power x here, and then here we can take a e to the power x common, and then here it will become e to the power y minus 1. So it will become here dy by dx is equal to e to the power x times e to the power y minus 1 upon e to the power y times 1 minus e to the power. Now you can see this expression and this almost same, just only the thing is here they have written e to the power x minus 1, and here I have written 1 minus e to the power x. So you can take minus 1 common and it will become here. Like this you can prove the question. Hope you have understood the video, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.